Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Fortnite ISE0 Test Lock Win 5 update error on your PC. First, close the Epic Games Launcher completely. After that, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to update Fortnite. Once it opens, try the update again and see if the error is gone. If the problem continues, clear the launcher cache. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Delete the web cache folder. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be preventing the update from completing. Restart your computer and launch Epic Games again. If you still see the same error, reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. Uninstall it through Windows Search. Then download the latest installer from the Epic Games website and install it again. If possible, install it on a different drive. Sign in, start the Fortnite download, and the launcher should either detect your existing game files and download the missing fresh files without the error. Thanks for watching.